So this is a 2006 Fendt 818 Vario. It's a 55k Vario gearbox, 180 horsepower, spec with front linkage, front PTO, one front spool, an external front lead control and a light socket. Front linkage is in good condition. Some of the paint has been worn off in places. And on the top link, front grille's in good condition, minor dents in places. It's on a hydraulically suspended front axle, and the clevis drawbar is in good condition with minimal wear. Pivoting front fenders. The front left tyre is a BKT 540 65 R30, about 70% tread remaining, with no large cuts or bulges. Left hand side of the bonnet has some minor repairs done and tiny bits of surface rust coming through in places. Halogen front work lights, twin beacon, cab glass in good condition, the front and the left hand side. This bottom step has been bent very slightly and there is paint coming off the steps, which is to be expected, and some minor surface rust on the left hand shoulder. And then there's some paint coming off the door hinges at the bottom and at the top very slightly. Back left tyre is a BKT 650 65 R42. Really good condition. No cuts or bulges. It's on a fixed rim. Halogen rear work lights. On the left hand side fender you have external linkage and PTO control. Minor scuffs on the back left fender. Cat 3 rear linkage. Again, some paint has come off in quite a lot of places. Link arm stabilisers in really good condition. Haven't been bent. You've got 4 rear spools, hydraulic and air trailer brakes, power beyond and load sensing. And there is very minor amount of wear on the hook. And there has been some repairs done in red paint in a few places. And there is an isobus socket as well. Very minor scuffs on the right hand side rear fender. Rear right tyres are BKT 650 65 R42. About 70% tread remaining. Tyres in really good condition, no large cuts or bulges. Minor staining on the inside of the fixed rims. It's got a right hand side passenger door, paint coming off the bottom hinge, mirror glass in good condition. Toolbox intact, very minor rust showing through on this right hand side fender. There's a bit of surface rust on the exhaust, and there is some surface rust showing through on some of the manifold as well, lower down. Slight surface rust on the right hand side of the bonnet, and there is a large cut in the pivoting right hand side fender. The front right tyre is a BKT 540 65 R30 in really good condition. No cuts or bulges. So in the cab of this 818, most of the cab plastic has got some very light scratches. It's just a bit dirty, so I haven't had a chance to balance it yet. The passenger seat is missing the 2 small cushions from the bottom half. It's just a bit dirty. Driver's seat is a heated and air suspended with minor scratch on the underside of the left hand armrest. Again, there's some scratches on the back left corner of the cab. Armrest is quite worn. The cushion. All the cab controls in good condition. Headline is quite dirty. Just see how that comes out when we clean it. And there is air conditioning and a Kenwood Bluetooth DAB radio. And there are currently 8,988 hours on the clock. And it starts and runs well. So this 818 is currently in stock at our site in Littleport, and if you'd like any more information or you'd like to come and have a look at it, please get in contact with us at Thurlow Nunn Standen.